What's new for the 2023 Toyota Corolla sedan? Customers are bound to love what they see and drive. The line expands with 4 new hybrid grades, including a more powerful hybrid system and available all-wheel drive. The LE, the most popular grade, now has the 169 horsepower 2.0-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine used in all other gas grades. Replacing a 139 horsepower 1.8-liter engine, it offers much more dynamic performance, 0 to 62 seconds quicker than with the 1.8L engine. Yet, it is also more efficient, improving on the previous engine fuel economy ratings by nearly 2 miles per gallon with a manufacturer estimated 31 city/40 highway/34 combined mpg.